Today, I'm going to be talking about one of the easiest ways that we can connect voice to our n8n workflows or AI agents to create a better experience for the user. Instead of building a full real-time voice system, we're going to focus on a simple and practical setup using ElevenLabs to turn text into speech and send that back as an audio file. It's going to be super straightforward, and I'm going to walk through everything live step by step so you can follow along and build it yourself. So the scenario that we're going to walk through is one where our AI agents generate a response, and then we use ElevenLabs to convert that response into a voice message. It's not a real-time conversation, but it's a really clean way to add audio output to your workflows and make your automation feel much more interactive. So let's jump right in and let me show you how to do it. So first, let me show you a quick demo. So as you can see, this is the workflow and this is the chat on Telegram. Let me send it a quick voice message and see what we get back. Hello, how are you doing today? As you can see, I'll execute the workflow. It got the file, it's talking to the AI agent. It will convert the speech to text, and then we'll get a message back. Let's see what we got.
I'm doing great, fully charged with electrons and a suspiciously large supply of dad jokes. How are you doing today, and what can I help with?
Well, as you can see, it worked pretty well. Let me show you how to do it. So the first step, as always, will be to add a trigger. In this topic, we're going to use a Telegram trigger. We'll go to onMessage. In here, you'll have to, as always, connect to your Telegram account. And that's it for the trigger. As always, you can use whatever you want. You can use Slack, Skype, Messenger, whatever you want. But for this example, we'll use the Telegram one. So to see that it works, we'll send a message in our chat and see if it gets it. We'll go inside the node, click on execute step. Then, as you can see, we got a message. And here you can see it's an audio file. And here you have the file ID, which we'll use soon. The next step will be to add a download node for the Telegram. So again, go here, type Telegram, go for download. Oh, not download, it's probably get. So yeah, get a file. Again, connect to your Telegram account. The resource will be file. The operation will be get. And the file ID, you'll have to go to the voice here and get the file ID from here. Drag and drop it. Click on this download. This probably will be as this. Then execute the step. And as you can see, we get the binary data of the voice. Let's download it and see if it okay. Hello, how are you doing today? So as you can see, the sound is not the best, but we still got it. Let's play it again. Hello, how are you doing today? Yeah, so the sound is here. It's got my message. Yeah, let's go for the next one. So the next step will be to add an ElevenLabs node. So again, go here, click on the plus, type in ElevenLabs, and usually it's you will have to install it. You'll have like a big red button here. Click on install it, and it will take a couple of seconds. After that, we'll go in here and we'll choose convert text to speech. Here you'll have to connect to your ElevenLabs account. I'll show you right now how to do it. So first of all, you need to go and connect to your ElevenLabs account. Just go and set it up your account. After that, you go to the main website and you go down here to the left side and click on developers. Go to API keys. And then you just click here on create key. You can call it in whatever name you want. And here you need to choose to access the text to speech and speech to speech and speech to text. And I overall just like to do the unrestricted way. It gives us a warning, but for this example, it's fine. And you click on create key, and then you get one right here. You'll see it and you'll copy and paste it. So you go back to n8n, here on create new credential, just copy and paste this one, and then you'll be good to go. For the operation, we're going to choose the speech to text, and then for the file, it's going to automatically choose the data one. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Let's execute it and see if it goes right. And then you can see it's translated it, and yeah, let me show you the next step. Oh, and as you can see, it parsed it correctly. Hello, how are you doing today? This is what I said before, and now we have it. So the next step will be to add an AI agent. So again, click on the plus, go for AI, and add an AI agent. And here, instead of the source for prompt, we'll choose the define below. Here for the prompt, we will choose the text that we just got from the ElevenLabs. And for the system message, you can choose whatever you want. For me, I'll just write here that you're a helpful assistant, which is really funny. Yeah, so next we'll have to add a chat model. Go for OpenAI chat model. And again, you'll have to connect with your OpenAI account and credentials. Let me show you how to do it. Just go for OpenAI, write the OpenAI API keys. Go inside. You can click on create new secret key. I already have one. And just name it in whatever name you want. Create a project. And then just create it. I already have a connection, so I won't do it, but it's pretty easy. So in here, after you have chosen the chat model, that's pretty much it. So let's see if it worked. We'll click on execute step. In a couple of seconds, we'll get an answer. I'm doing great, fully charged, slightly over caffeinated in binary, etc., which I think is pretty funny, but you know, you can just write whatever you want and it will probably be funnier. And the next step will be to add another ElevenLabs node. We'll go again here, ElevenLabs. We'll go for the convert text to speech. Again, it will probably be connected automatically, but if you don't know how to do it, just go a couple minutes back and just explain it to do it. So for the resource, we'll use the speech. The operation is going to be text to speech. And here for the voice, you can choose what voice you want to use. So in here you have some default options, but if you want to choose one that is special for you, you can go back to ElevenLabs, go to voices, and here you have all kinds of sounds and accents and all kinds of characters. So here, if you want to just hear it, you can click on it. Yeah, so you can just go through them and see whatever.
We rule world once, not with crown.
If you're looking for a calm, confident, and consistent voice, try how I...
So yeah, you can just go through them and pick whatever you want. After you have chosen one, just click here, click on copy voice ID. And for the voice again, I just explained how to do it. I'll just choose a random one. I'll go with Sarah, which is mature, reassuring, and confident. For the text, we're just going to drag and drop the output from the AI agent. And let's see if it's worked correctly. I'll download it and open it.
I'm doing great. Fully charged, slightly over-caffeinated in binary, and ready to help. How are you doing, and what can I do for you today?
Life didn't promise to be fair, but it did offer a canvas. Paint something worth looking at.
So as we can see, we got the voice back, which is pretty good. So the next step will be to add another Telegram node. We'll go here, Telegram, send a audio file, because we just got an audio file and that's what we want to send. Again, connect to your Telegram account. The resource will be message, send audio. The chat ID, for that, we're going to click here on schema. We're going to go to the Telegram trigger and we're going to look for the chat ID. Let me find it. As you can see, just go here for chat, go for ID, drag and drop it. And for the binary data, as you can see, it is binary. So just toggle it as true. Again, it automatically goes for this data. If it's different for you guys, just you can delete it and write whatever you want. But again, here it was automatically right. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Let's see if it works correctly.
I'm doing great. Fully charged, slightly over-caffeinated in binary, and ready to help. How are you doing, and what can I do for you today?
So as you can see, we got the message back and it sounds pretty good. So because it's not published yet, we will have to, every time we want to get a message back, we'll have to send a whole message again. So let me publish it and show you a whole execution once. So let's see if it works. Hello, how are you doing today? And right now it should trigger the telegram, get a file, transcribe it, and we should get a response pretty soon. Let's see.
Doing great. Fully charged, sarcasm module warmed up, and my virtual coffee is piping.
So as you can see, it works well, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So if you want the full workflow, you can join my free school community, which I will link down below in the description, and thank you for watching.